Currently, this is my go-to mug because it's huge. Small mugs are just not ideal because you run out of tea too quickly. So I like big mugs because they have a much more comforting feel to them.
I don't really have a signature mug. I did when I was growing up, but my mum would get me like special Easter egg mugs or my favourite football team mugs.
This is my favourite mug. When I met my wife, this was her mug. I nicked it off her. I like this purely just because it holds the heat. I can leave it for half an hour and get back to it and it's still piping hot. China and just normal mugs, it doesn't really change the flavour in whatever mug you ever do it in, really.
I don't like drinking out of mugs. It's very unruly.
I'm down with the builders, me.
We're not talking about builders here, or scaffolders for that matter. There's nothing better than drinking tea poured from a beautiful teapot into a fabulous porcelain cup.